Wait, before you scroll, let me show you something. I created this entire AI video using YouTube itself. No complicated video editing software, no professional editing experience. I created it using the AI tools inside the YouTube app. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. See, this particular video got almost 30,000 views on my YouTube channel and giving me almost 52 subscribers on my channel, and also generate 70 something YouTube watch time hour in the less than 1 day. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uncle. See, if you have been looking for a easy way to create AI video, you need to see this, because YouTube has an AI playground where you can create AI content directly inside the YouTube app. And I am not going to just talk about it. I'm going to take you directly to my screen and show you exactly and create one with you from scratch. And if it is what you like to follow me learn, do well by subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment where you are watching me from, and let's do this together. So let's go to the screen. So let me show you how you can generate AI video. You can create AI video with your YouTube app. So first of all, we have to open our YouTube app. So let me locate the YouTube app. So we open our YouTube app in this way. Now when we open our YouTube app, you click on the plus sign. So what YouTube allowed for now is a YouTube short. So for those of you creating YouTube short video, say, because you can still be creating only short video on YouTube and be posting the short, you can still get monetized and earn money from your short. So this is what many people does. If you are into football, you can do the same thing, create a football AI video and be posting it. They will not give you a copywriting because you was generated by AI, and you can still monetize with it and start making your money. So now, if you want to create your AI video with your YouTube app, is this. When you open to this page, you click on plus sign, then you are going to come to short. Make sure say it to be on short like this. So you look up here by your right, you see the sign of a star. This is a sign of Gemini, Google Gemini. Click on the sign. We click on the sign. Click on the sign. So now you can see for the first thing now, AI playground. Now you can see AI playground. We have creating video, photo to video, and create music. You can even generate music as well too. But today we are up to how to create AI video. I want to take everything slow for you so that you can do it. And no, the good thing about this is that they have given you a template that you can simply use to generate your short video that can go viral, either by avatar or whatever what it is. So on a simple way to generate the video, if you have a prompt, you can enter your prompt into this describe your idea. So you can enter the prompt for YouTube AI to generate the video for you. And if you want to add your picture, you click on the plus sign here, then you enter your prompt, then you generate. So I want to use one of these templates as an example to create a video for you now. So keep watching. Let's see how we made it. Okay, maybe let me use this template first. Now the moment you click on that template, they are going to give you exactly the prompt of that video. So what do I need to do now to make this thing realistic, like to make it look like me be the person? I have to click on this add image. So let me look for one of my image, like my normal image. I normally use it for AI.
video, my image. Okay, let me use this image as an example. Now keep watching. Now when you put the prompt is already there, my image has already added. Then we are going to click on this arrow sign here. Click on the arrow sign. So this is going to load to 100%. So we have to wait for a little. Like I told you, for anything concerning AI video generation, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment where you are watching this video from, and tell me the challenge you are having as a YouTube. I teach you how to grow on YouTube, how to create AI video, how to make money online. Please don't forget to share this video for others. So we are waiting for this to load to 100%. Let's see what our video look like. We are waiting. Don't forget you are still with Uncle OC. AI with Uncle OC. Boom. Here is our video. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the magic? So there's no way you can be uploading this type of video on your short. You can upload like 10 videos a day. You can see some you make massive so we are going to click on here. You see save to device. Click on save. Now you can save to device. When you want to upload, you can click on next. I love the video, so that is why I want to upload it now, because we don't know what that can do magic on your anything. How AI with YouTube app. AI video with no. Let me just give the giant. The dangerous man. Okay. Click off hashtag AI hashtag viral. I think it's okay. The description is optional. Location, let me just put for my Nigeria. Okay. They want to know that this is AI. Yes. Do I need tags? No. Upload.